Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be your third week's exclusive love reading. If you have any questions in your mind regarding your situationship, relationship or complicated marriage, think about it. You will definitely get an answer in this reading. So let's start. Your cards are Nine of Moons and the Temperance card. And you've got the Ten of Moons and the Hierophant. Now, I do see that a lot of you had given up hope maybe on a particular partner you were not speaking with, in no contact with, or separation with. That person is now coming back into your life. In the third week, I do see somebody from your past entering back into your life and maybe offering you something in return. It can be a commitment because they were not ready to commit earlier, or it can be a marriage proposal directly. So I do see you guys celebrating something in the third week of February, which is from 17th February to 23rd, right? You could be either celebrating a reconciliation, or they must have offered you something, like you could be celebrating an engagement or a marriage or a roka or something like that, right? So I do see you could be meeting your families also, or celebrating a reconciliation. Some sort of celebration is definitely happening for the two of you. To all those who are already in a relationship, the chances of marriage are 100% there. To all those who are married, and if there were problems in your relationship, I do see all those going away. Why? Because I do get the vibes of balance being restored into your life and a very happy home. So you can see this: peace will be restored into your life, balance will be restored into your life, and everything which was, upside down will be back into the proper position. The proper stability will come to your life. Marriage is definitely happening. Relationship reconciliation is definitely happening, and your house and home is looking very peaceful and happy. Hierophant here talks about marriage, talks about traditional ceremonies happening. So that is why I said that you could be getting rokified, engaged, or married in the third week of February, or at least some sort of celebration is happening, meeting the families, greeting, and getting a lot of importance from people, that kind of stuff. You could be meeting their friends. Basically, it's a happy home. It's a home of celebration. In case your families were not agreeing to this relationship or marriage, they will now agree. I see that happening for you. So Gemini, this is going to be a beautiful week for you. If you want to claim the positive energies of this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that the readings positive energies reach you faster. And please, if you resonated with my reading, do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you still have any questions on your mind regarding your love life, your marriage, or career or health, anything, you are free to book a reading with me. You can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram also, the Moksha Tarot. If your love life is stuck, or if marriage is not happening, your career is not happening, health is not improving, you can even book a blockage removal ritual as well. Alright? So take care of yourself, Geminis, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.